Today we're going to learn a beautiful word in Chinese, 自然, meaning nature, which encompasses everything from mountains and rivers to the diverse array of flora and fauna that call them home. The word 自然 embodies the beauty, power, and wonder of the natural world and reminds us of our duty to protect and cherish it. For example, 尊重自然, respect nature. 热爱自然, love nature. The Chinese people have always shown great respect for nature and cherished the natural beauty of their land ever since ancient times. 植绿护绿, 关爱自然是中华民族的传统美德. Planting trees, protecting forests, and embracing nature are traditional Chinese virtues. Chinese people believe that all the people across the globe should work together to protect the environment and to ensure that everyone has equal access to its benefits. 让人民在绿水青山中共享自然之美. Let people enjoy being surrounded by beauty of nature with lush mountains and lucid waters. Nature is a gift to be shared by all. Let's do our part in caring for it and preserve the beauty of nature. Nature, 自然，你学会了吗？